In this video, we will be showing you how to install the Panther OIS on a client system. Before proceeding, please verify that the client system has network access to the OIS server over a WAN or LAN. To begin, open a web browser. Enter the IP address of the server and the port number that was used during the OIS server installation. Select Download Client Setup. Once the download has finished, you can run the OIS client setup, which will run you through the installation. To begin, select Next. Select I agree at the OIS software license agreement. Select the destination folder and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, select Finish. When the application first launches, you will need to specify the IP address and port that was used during the OIS server installation. This will be the same as the IP address and port that was entered into the web browser earlier. Enter the information and select OK. You can now log in with a valid username and password and begin using the OIS on the client system. Thank you for watching.